Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how you can activate and customize Always in Display. So this feature as default we cannot find in this smartphone. We have to use external application from the Play Store. We have to get this application from Sparking Labs. Let's install. Right now just open. Enable both permissions. Now just go back, select overlay mode and tap to get started. Right now we have to select AOD screens. And as you can see in this place you can find few default themes. So I think that I'm going to apply this one. I have to click here, and then when you want to customize you have to click around this place. As you can see in my case it's covered with this sticker. I cannot remove it, but basically you will find in the right upper corner the settings icon. And right now we can find here a lot of things that we can customize, so I will show you my favorite setup. You can adjust it like me, or you can go with your own way. Okay, and that's all. Right now we can lock our phone. And there it is. As you can see, Always in Display appears on our lock screen. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.